Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss what is the difference between break, continue and pass statements in Python. The break statement terminates the current loop and resumes execution at the next statement. The break statement can use in both while and for loops. In this example, first we enter a number from the user, then for I in range 10, if I equal to 1 break, print I, print bye bye. When value of I becomes equal to 1, then the for loop is break. Also, the statements outside the for loop will not be affected, it will be printed. For example, enter a number 5. So the values 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 only printed. When value of 5 becomes equal to 5, it will not be printed. The break statement break the execution of the for loop. And the statement outside the for loop print bye bye, it will be printed. Again, if we try to enter 3, you will see that only 0, 1 and 2 numbers are printed and bye bye is printed because the bye bye is outside the loop. Only the statement inside the for loop will be affected by the break statement. Now, what is continue? The continue statement returns the control to the beginning of the while loop. The continue statement reaches all the remaining statements in the current iteration of the loop and move the control back to the top of the loop. The continue statement can use in both while and for loops. For example, if we want to print all the values which are not divisible by 3, then we will use continue statement. I percentage 3 equal to 0, continue print I. Try to run. Here we see that 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, the values which are not divisible by 3 is printed. If we try to enter 10, run, here we see that only 1, 2, 4, 5, 7 and 8. The values which are divisible by 3 will not be printed because the continue statement move control back to the top of the loop. And what is pass statement? The pass statement in Python is used when a statement is required syntactically but you do not want any command or code to execute. The pass statement is a null operation, nothing happens when it executes. This statement is also useful in places where your code will eventually go but not been written yet. For example, if we try to run this code, it will give error. But if we use the pass statement, then it will not give any error. Okay. In another example, for letter in Python, if letter equal to h, pass, print, this is pass block, print, current letter, print, goodbye. Let's try to run. Here we see that when letter equal to p, it will be printed. When letter equal to y, also printed, t also printed. When letter is equal to h, it will execute in the pass statement, means in this block. This is a pass block. It will print the letter H. Also, it will also print all the letters, remaining letters, H, O, N. Also, the statements outside the for loop will be printed. So, basically, the pass statement is a null operation. Nothing happens when it executes. It is useful in places where your code will eventually go, but not been written yet. I hope you understand the difference between break, continue, and pass in Python. Okay, friends. Bye bye. Thank you.